Hello friends, day 51, and I started off up by Hadrian's Wall but very quickly turned off the Hadrian's Wall path, staying on the Pennine Way and heading in towards the Kielder Forest. Not a long day today because sadly I'm not feeling very well again, which is getting rather annoying, but I did go to the pharmacy in Bellingham and the pharmacist there was very helpful, and he thinks I probably caught a bug whilst my immune system was low after the heat stroke. So he's given me various things to perk me back up and reintroduce salts into my body and all that sort of stuff. So I'm going to be very good and take my medicine. I'll show you around my lovely B&B that my friend Sue found for me, and then we'll have a look at where I've been today. So see you on the trail. This lovely B&B, and in the bathroom, as you'll see, I've got a shower of course, but I've also got a jacuzzi which I'm going to use to test my sleeping mat because I can't find the little puncture in it. This is another one of those honesty barn type places, but this one has a bed and a toilet, so brilliant facilities. Thank you.